Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can put an outline on text in Photoshop. So if we open Photoshop here, I have some text here. So to put an outline around the text, all we're going to do is we're going to find the text in the layers, and then we're just going to double click on the layer. And then in the layer styles, we're then going to tick the stroke option, and then we're going to go into stroke. And then here you can adjust the size of the stroke, and then you can decide if you want it to be on the outside, the inside, or a mix of both inside and outside, so it's centered along the outside line like so. And you can also change the blend mode and the opacity of the outline as well. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.